Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hi, and thanks for joining us today for Fox Focus. I'm Meg McKenzie, and when you as a family are looking for a school district that's right for your children, you want to know everything you possibly can about that district and if it's a good fit. Well, today we have a unique opportunity to do a deep dive on the Delavan-Darien School District. Mike Rick is with us. He's the DD Tech Administrator and the CTE Coordinator. Mike, thanks for talking with us.
Thanks for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
And Delavan-Darien Schools really is a unique school district, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, absolutely. So Delavan is not considered a large district, but when compared to the bigger districts, we offer a lot of the same programs or more than what they can offer. So we actually have, example would be an all-day 4K program in which kids they get individualized instruction that's hands-on and engaging throughout the experience. We have a dual language program that starts in 4K and goes all the way through 12th grade. So imagine a kid that is bilingual throughout that experience. By the time they leave our doors, they're that much more marketable in the workplace. And relating to being more marketable, we just started our career and technical education charter school called DD Tech, in which kids choose one of 12 career pathways that relate to their career aspirations. And they take a narrower scope of courses that relate directly to that pathway. So trying to put a twist on like core academics and their career pathway electives to try to streamline them and to make them more marketable within the workforce. Also built into DD Tech is work-based learning experiences. So it's a graduation requirement for them to go out into work their senior year and get that hands-on experience that's going to benefit them once they leave our doors.
So it really sounds like a lot of the work that used to be done after graduation in Delavan-Darien schools is being done before graduation.
Right. So yeah, we're trying to get kids out our doors and relate and taking classes that relate to their career pathway, give them that sense of application. And with that sense of application comes engagement, right? They're bought into that curriculum or bought into that program because they see that application. They see that it can benefit them once they leave here.
So the school district must have a really good relationship with business and industry, I'm assuming.
Yeah, absolutely. Our business and industry partners, they play an integral part in our curriculum development and program development. Each one of our career pathways for DD Tech, they all have advisory committees in which local business and industry, they contribute to building that program, keeping it up to the industry standard. They discuss work-based learning options. How can they get kids placed in entry-level jobs within our local business to help support our economy and to help better our students.
So would it be fair to say that you're really hyper-focused on hands-on learning?
Yeah, absolutely. I would say district-wide, it is a mandatory it's an expectation for our teachers to embed that into their curriculum whenever possible. Because when you can make it applicable, hands-on, and engaging, the kids are going to come away with that much more, help build that foundation for learning that's going to help build upon by the time they become a high school senior. They have that hands-on experience that's relatable to the workforce, and it benefits them that much more when they leave.
So 12 career pathways to choose from. Where can they get more information?
Yeah, so they can go on to our ddschools.org website, and there's a place in there they can go to DD Tech. They can view all 12 pathways, and they can see all of the information that relates to those pathways, get information on certifications, work-based learning, and the courses that they'd be able to take.
Well, this already has been a deep dive, but if you want to learn more, ddschools.org. You can even enroll online as well, ask questions, and get everything you need to know. Well, this has been such an education, Mike. Appreciate your time today.
Thank you for having me.
Again, ddschools.org. It's the Delavan-Darien School District. We will see you next time on Fox Focus.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.